Here's a little project I'm doing today, fixing my e-bike. Since I broke the dropouts where the axle mounts to the electric wheel, and I just put this on the bike earlier this year, 28mm. I believe they're 100mm fork travel with the V brake, and I'm replacing it with the 30mm tube. The stanchions are a little bit bigger, and overall I think we're gonna be good with the steering tube length, but I have to take the star nut out of the steering tube because they said it was being sent with it, but it was not, so I have to remove it and install it in the new one and swap over the brakes and my covers here, protectors, and the bracket. So that's my Christmas Eve project.